Hello smart mathematicians, let's do question 211. The first term of a geometric series is 14 and the sixth term is 448. Calculate the value of the constant ratio r. So we know that for a geometric sequence, Tn is equal to ar to the power n minus 1. And we're told that the sixth term is 448, so it means T6 is equal to a times r to the power 6 minus 1, which is 5. Okay, and then a is 14, so where there's a, we can put 14. Then T6 is 448, so we have 448 is equal to 14 times r to the power 5. Then we divide by 14 on both sides of the equation. Divide by 14 here, divide by 14. Get that 32 is equal to r to the power 5. 32 is 2 to the power 5. So we have 2 to the power 5 is equal to r to the power 5. The exponents are equal, so we can equate the bases. Therefore, r is equal to 2.